Do you want to know how you can sign up for Character AI? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Character AI. Go ahead and search for Character AI sign up and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal or sign up portal. You can go ahead and click continue with Google, and you can see that this page will load up. Make sure you have a Google account. Go ahead and select Google account and click continue. This way you can sign up on your character.ai using your Google account. You can also use your Apple or your email address. So after that you must set your date of birth. After you set of date of birth, you can see create account option. Go ahead and click create account, and there you go. This is how you sign up for your Character AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.